To do a factory reset on your Myenergi zappi, we need to go into the menu button and we're going to scroll down to Other Settings and press plus, down to Advanced and plus. Passcode by default are all zeros, so you can just keep pressing plus. If your password is different, this is where you need to enter your new password. Then down to System and plus. To restore settings, down to Erase all and plus, then down to Confirm and plus. It's then going to ask you if you do want to reset, and scroll down to Yes and press plus on that. You'll then see the factory reset happening. It'll go from 0 to 55, that's resetting the device. Your device then will reboot and you'll be entering the setup wizard. It's going to ask you where your product was installed, so choose the correct option for yourself. It's going to ask you when the installation date was. Again, same as before, choose the correct option. It's going to ask you if it's a first device installed, so if you've only got one device, this will be the case. And it's going to ask you to review the settings. As long as you're happy, press plus. Then it's going to ask you about your CLS compliance for the customer limitation scheme. If you don't know the answer to this, we would advise contacting your installer to get clarity to confirm if you are part of a CLS scheme or not. If you find out that you're not, just scroll down to No and press plus. If you are part of a CLS scheme, scroll to Yes and press plus. And then we're going to have to enter the export and import limits. The import limit is how much power you can take in from the grid, and your export limit is how much power you're allowed to send out to the grid. Once that's done, it's then going to check about your internet. If you're on an Ethernet, it should just say connected. If you're on Wi-Fi, you should reconnect automatically. You'll then move on to downloading firmware. The device will do this automatically for you. Hopefully you're already on the latest firmware, so you should just be prompted to press plus. And now you're back on your home screen, ready to charge.